Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming sync status and securing your files. Check the OneDrive icon. If it shows syncing, wait until it finishes so files are local. Once done, copy any critical folders to an external drive or a different cloud account to avoid loss. Next, open OneDrive settings and note the Microsoft account signed in so you can relink if needed. Make sure Windows user folders point to local paths versus OneDrive, and prepare to unlink without risking unsynced data. Now you unlink and move files carefully. Open OneDrive settings and choose Unlink this PC. This stops further syncing immediately. Then use File Explorer to drag documents, desktop, and pictures out of the OneDrive folder into local user folders. Preserving structure prevents broken app references. While moving, verify file sizes and timestamps to confirm full copies. If you have many files, move in batches and monitor progress. Finally, remove OneDrive folder redirection in Windows if it was set, so new files stay local. Finish by uninstalling OneDrive and verifying everything works. Use apps and features to uninstall or run the appropriate command line removal for your Windows build. This removes the client but keeps your local files. Restart your PC, open File Explorer, and confirm your files are accessible in their new local locations. Then check Task Manager to ensure no OneDrive processes run. If anything went wrong, immediately check the OneDrive Web Recycle bin or the local OneDrive folder for unsynced files and restore them to the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.